Ceragem Master V4, revolutionary spine thermal massager with pioneering technology. A new definition of luxury, comfort, and style. Elevate your self-care with unmatched luxury and comfort. Discover wellness innovation for every home. Based on our technological prowess in spine, thermal, and medical technologies over the last 26 years, we provide total home healthcare solutions. SpineTech, spinal care technology, based on our insightful understanding of ergonomics and human body. ThermalTech, therapeutic thermal technology, based on thermoengineering knowledge with heat sources and materials. MediTech, medical technology applied to our medical device with verified performance and effectiveness. What makes Ceragem Master V4 so special? 1. Patented technology for a customized massage. Given that everyone possesses unique heights, the length of their spine naturally varies. The Ceragem patent user body type customizing function takes this individuality into account. By employing an automated analysis of the spine's length, curvature, and load when the user assumes a reclined position, this innovative feature delivers targeted thermal massage effects precisely tailored to the user's distinct body type. 2. Adjustable massage intensity control. Patented technology enables the internal projectors to automatically adjust along the user's spine for the massage intensity and strength to provide deeper massage effect. 3. 17 specialized modes. Optimal massage effects that suit your body are provided through 12 auto modes such as relax, study, sleeping, meditation, etc. And 5 specialized modes such as intensive, manual, manual master, semi-automatic, and semi-automatic master mode. 4. Master mode for targeted massage. Ceragem's technology allows user to identify specific spinal areas, cervical, thoracic, and lumbar vertebrae, for an intensive and customized therapeutic thermal massage. 5. 65 degrees Celsius intensive thermal massage. A whole body thermal massage is performed with the application of intensive heat up to 65 degrees Celsius. 6. 9 levels of intensity control. Select from 9 levels of intensity to adjust the desired intensity of your massage. 7. Vibrating abdominal projector. The new, heated vibrating projector can be applied to the abdomen or to various body parts of your choice for a stimulating, warming massage with heat up to 60 degrees Celsius. 8. Premium design. The premium and modern design of the Ceragem Master V4 make it a welcome addition to any room in the home, with its luxurious Saffiano-style leather accommodating the furnishings of bedrooms or living rooms. The patented sliding function allows the bed to convert from a bed into a space-saving portable thermal sofa. 9. Ceragem sound. The musical selection includes classical music and relaxing sounds from nature. These support you in reaching a meditative state of deep relaxation during the thermal massage. A collection of 20 pre-installed audio pieces to complement the soothing effects of your massage while relieving stress and fatigue and relaxing your mind. The sound system has integrated two-way loudspeakers and a Bluetooth function. 10. Audio guidance. Audio assistant. The real-time voice output offers you acoustic support when operating the Master V4. Gentle voice guidance informs you of the massager's path along the spine for greater control and comfort. 11. Color LCD remote control. The user-friendly icons and backlit color LCD of the newly designed remote control make the Ceragem Master V4 easier to use in light and dark conditions. 12. Bluetooth speaker. Multi-device connectivity through Bluetooth speakers allow users to enjoy audio content through their smartphone or other connected devices. Recharge. Relax and repeat for your health's sake. Ceragem, your ultimate self-care partner.